Ever wondered what it takes to score a Canadian visa? Well, buckle up for a journey through the process, step by step, that will help make your Canadian dream a reality. First things first, identify the type of visa you need. Canada offers a variety of visas, from tourist to work, student to permanent residence. Each has its own set of requirements. For instance, a student visa requires proof of acceptance from a Canadian institution, while a work visa requires a job offer from a Canadian employer. Next, gather all the necessary documents. This typically includes your passport, proof of financial support, and a letter of invitation if you're being sponsored by a Canadian resident. Depending on the type of visa, you might also need medical records, criminal record checks, or other specific documents. Once you have all your paperwork in order, it's time to complete the application. This is done online through the Canadian government's official immigration website. Be meticulous in filling out the information, as any errors can lead to delays or even rejection of your application. After submitting your application, you'll need to pay the application fee. This varies depending on the type of visa, but generally ranges from 75 to 500 Canadian dollars. Payment can be made online using a credit or debit card. Next comes the waiting game. The processing time for a Canadian visa can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, so patience is key. During this time, you may be asked to attend an interview or provide additional documentation. Finally, if your application is approved, you'll receive your visa by mail. This will include details such as the visa's validity period and any conditions of your stay. Make sure to review these details carefully to avoid any complications during your trip or stay in Canada. So, to recap, the Canadian visa process involves identifying the type of visa you need, gathering the necessary documents, completing the online application, paying the application fee, waiting for the processing, and finally receiving your visa. It's a journey that requires patience and meticulousness, but with a clear understanding of the process, your Canadian dreams are well within reach. Remember, each visa type has unique requirements, so be sure to do thorough research based on your specific needs. And don't forget, the Canadian government's official immigration website is your best resource for accurate and up-to-date information. So there you have it, the Canadian visa process demystified. Equipped with this knowledge, the path to exploring the vast landscapes, vibrant cities, and welcoming culture of Canada is clearer than ever. Happy travels!